नमस्कार मित्रांनो, इयत्ता 12वी गणित भाग 2 टॉपिक नंबर 1 डेरिव्हेटिव्हमधील हायर ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ही कन्सेप्ट एक्झाम्पलच्या सहाय्याने आज समजून घेणार आहोत. मित्रांनो, जगातील 3 प्रसिद्ध व्यक्तींचे फोटो आपल्यासमोर आहेत. अनुक्रमे गॉटफ्राइड विल्यम लिबनिट्झ, सर आयझॅक न्यूटन आणि तिसरा आपल्या सर्वांचा परिचयाचा हुसेन बोल्ट. लिबनिट्झ आणि न्यूटन यांनी 16व्या शतकात गणितात आमूलाग्र असे संशोधन करून ठेवलेले आहे. तर बोल्ट हा 2012च्या क्रीडा स्पर्धातील सर्वात वेगवान धावपटू. आता आपणास प्रश्न पडला असणार की या तिघांचे या ठिकाणी काय संबंध? हो, त्यांचा संबंध एका फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चनशी आहे. प्रश्न आहे, व्हॉट इज द इन्स्टंटेनियस रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ समथिंग? बोल्ट आता किती वेगवान आहे? आपल्याला बोल्टचा सरासरी वेग मागील 10 सेकंदात किती होता अथवा पुढील 10 सेकंदात किती असणार हे नको आहे. तर बोल्ट आता किती वेगवान आहे याचे उत्तर आपणास या दोन गणितज्ञांनी ज्या शाखेची ओळख आपणास करून दिली त्या डिफरन्शियल कॅल्क्युलस मध्ये मिळते. डिफरन्शियल कॅल्क्युलस मध्ये आपण या अगोदर विविध मेथड शिकलेला आहात. आज आपण हायर ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह याबद्दल माहिती जाणून घेणार आहोत. हायर ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. What are second derivatives? The second derivative of a function is simply the derivative of the function's derivative. What is the second derivative of y with respect to x? Imagine if you started with your y and you take its first derivative with respect to x. To get us our second derivative, again differentiate with respect to x. कन्सेप्ट समजून घेण्यासाठी सोप्या एक्झाम्पलने सुरुवात करणार. लेट y इक्वल टू log x. डिफरन्शिएट y with respect to x. dy by dx इक्वल टू d by dx of log x. बरोबर, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ log x इज 1 upon x. आता आपणास शोधावयाचे आहे d2y by dx स्क्वेअर. याचे वाचन जरी d2y by dx स्क्वेअर आहे म्हणजे d च्या पॉवरला 2 आणि dx च्या पॉवरला 2 असा या ठिकाणी अर्थ होत नाही. पुन्हा एकदा डिफरन्शिएट करणार, याचा अर्थ dy by dx याच्या अगोदर d by dx हा ऑपरेटर अप्लाय केला गेला. लिहिताना d by dx of dy by dx that is derivative of 1 upon x आपणास माहिती असणार d2y by dx square is minus 1 upon x square. Find the second order derivative of the following: x cube plus 5x square minus 2x minus 13. Solution. Let y equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 2x minus 13. Differentiate y with respect to x. dy by dx equal to d by dx of x cube plus 5x square minus 2x minus 13. राईट हँड साईडच्या सर्व टर्म्सचा आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह लिहिणार आहोत. dy by dx is equal to derivative of x cube 3x square, derivative of 5x square 10x, derivative of minus 2x is minus 2, derivative of minus 13 is constant number, so there is no change, so derivative of constant number is 0. Again differentiate y with respect to x. So apply operator one more time. d by dx of dy by dx is equal to derivative of 3x square plus 10x minus 2. Derivative of 3x square is 6x. Derivative of 10x is 10. Derivative of minus 2 is 0. Find the second order derivative of the following: x square log x. Solution. Let y equal to x square log x. Differentiate y with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square log x. x square log x u dot v. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपणास प्रोडक्ट रूल वापरावयाचा आहे. dy by dx is equal to x square derivative of log x plus log x derivative of x square, which is equal to x square as it is. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Log x as it is. Derivative of x square is 2x, which is equal to x plus log of x times 2x. dy by dx is equal to x times 1 plus 2 log x. Differentiate y with respect to x. d by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this right hand side, that is x times 1 plus 2 log x. X times bracket means here we have to follow product rule. d2y by dx square is equal to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. On simplifying, x as it is, derivative of constant 1 0, derivative of 2 log x is 2 upon x. Next bracket as it is, derivative of x is 1, so we get this term, which is equal to d2y by dx square is 3 plus 2 log x. Now new question on implicit equations. If ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, then show that d2y by dx square equal to 0. Solution. Write down given equation. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Call this as equation number 1. Now middle term 2hxy. 2hxy ला या ठिकाणी स्प्लिट केलं, hxy प्लस hxy. आता पहिल्या दोन टर्म्स मधून आपणास x कॉमन घ्यावायचा आहे आणि उर्वरित दोन टर्म्स मधून y कॉमन घेणार. Pull out x and y respectively. X into bracket ax plus hy plus y times hx plus by equal to 0. X times ax plus hy subtracted from both sides, so we get y times hx plus by is equal to minus x times ax plus hy. On simplifying, we get ratio y upon x is equal to minus ax plus hy upon hx plus by. Differentiate given equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 with respect to x. We get a times derivative of x square plus 2h times derivative of xy plus b times derivative of y square, where a, b and h are constant. Here middle term d by dx of xy, product of two function, so we use product rule. So therefore we get a times 2x plus
2h times bracket x into dy by dx plus y into 1 plus b times 2y dy by dx equal to 0. Pull out 2. Therefore 2 times bracket ax plus hx dy by dx plus hy plus by dy by dx. Here we underline like terms. Put them into bracket. We get hx plus by into dy by dx plus ax plus hy equal to 0. Subtracting ax plus hy from both sides, we get hx plus by dy by dx is equal to minus ax plus hy. For solving for dy by dx, we get dy by dx is equal to minus ax plus hy upon hx plus by. Comparing equation 2 and 3, we get dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Call this as equation number 4. Equation number 4 is in the form of quotient. Differentiate equation 4 with respect to x. D by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx of y upon x. Use quotient rule. d2y by dx square is equal to x times derivative of numerator minus y times derivative of denominator upon square of denominator, that is x times dy by dx minus y times 1 upon x square equal to x into y upon x, give the substitution for dy by dx, minus y upon x square. On solving, we get d2y by dx square is equal to y minus y upon x square, which is equal to 0.
Now we see example on parametric equations. Find d2y by dx square if x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta at theta equal to pi upon 4. So dear students, here theta is the independent variable where x and y are dependent on theta. Write down x. X is equal to a cos cube theta. Differentiate x with respect to theta. Dx upon d theta is equal to derivative of a cos cube theta with respect to theta. Here a is constant. To write derivative of cos cube, we use chain rule. Equal to a into 3 times cos square theta into derivative of cos theta. On solving, dx by d theta is equal to
मायनस 3a कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा साइन थीटा. आपल्या दृष्टीने इक्वेशन नंबर 1 जरा इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. नाव राइट डाउन y is equal to b sin cube theta. Differentiate y with respect to theta. dy by d theta is equal to derivative of b sin cube theta with respect to theta. One more time, use chain rule. Equal to b times 3 sin square theta into derivative of sin theta. On solving, dy by d theta is equal to 3b sin square theta cos theta. Equation number 2. Now dy upon dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Substituting the values for right hand side, we get 3b sin square theta cos theta upon minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. On solving, we get minus b upon a tan theta. Here right hand side is in the form of theta. Again differentiate y with respect to x. We get dy dx of dy by dx equal to derivative of minus b upon a tan theta. Here minus b upon a is constant term, so we pull it outside. By using chain rule, we write minus b upon a derivative of tan theta with respect to theta times d theta by dx. Observe this term carefully, which is equal to minus b upon a sec square theta into d theta by dx is written as 1 upon dx by d theta, because we already find out the value for dx by d theta. So therefore d2y by dx square is equal to minus b upon a sec square theta times 1 upon, putting the value of dx by d theta, we get 1 upon minus 3a cos square theta sin theta equal to b upon 3a square into sec square theta upon cos square theta sin theta. On solving, d2y by dx square equal to b sec raised to 4 theta upon 3a square sin theta. Now to find particular solution, we replace theta by pi upon 4. So d2y by dx square at theta equal to pi by 4, replace every theta by pi by 4. So we get b root 2 raised to 4 upon 3a square times 1 upon root 2. On solving, d2y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 4 is 4 root 2 times b upon 3a square.